Horses out, we have Monestar as the begin, moving up on the outside, DJ. Then followed by AJ Special, moving up in the hay. Petrus Blanc comes next, Idas Julian. Gold Baron, Take Me Tonight, or Kiss Me Gently, while Marine Star is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, DJ by about 3 lengths, Monde Star in second, and in third comes Entry 4 AJ Special alongside Port in the hay. Then followed over by Idas Julian. Comes next Petrus Blanc, moving up Gold Baron, Marine Star, and Kiss Me Gently. And it's still DJ by about 2.5 lengths. Monde Star still in second. And here comes in the hay. Now coming closer in third. Dropping back in fourth comes AJ Special, moving up Idas Julian. DJ by only a length, and moving up on the outside now is in the hay. Monde Star in third, and followed over by Idas Julian. As they come down to the last 200. DJ in the ace on the outside. Racing now in the Idas Julian as they swing for Roma. DJ in the hay. Idas Julian moving up in the middle. But it's still DJ, Idas Julian in the hay, Petrus Blanc, DJ, Idas Julian, Petrus Blanc is on the outside. It's now Idas Julian, and finally it's Idas Julian, Petrus Blanc, then comes DJ.